In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit notification in Squarespace. If your inbox is getting crowded with updates you don't need, or you simply want tighter control over what Squarespace sends you, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to adjust. We'll move from your main account area to the specific notification controls, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, head to the Squarespace website and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This menu is your gateway to all account level tools, not just individual sites. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the account dashboard as your home base for anything that applies to you as a user rather than to a single website you manage. Next, click Account Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage personal preferences and security details. We'll focus on notifications, so in this area, select Email Notifications. This page collects the different types of emails Squarespace may send, things like updates, alerts, and other communications tied to your account and projects. Here's where you can fine-tune. You'll see toggles for various notification categories. To stop receiving a particular type, simply turn the corresponding toggle off. Your changes typically save automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. If you're unsure about a category, consider leaving Essentials on, especially anything related to billing or important account communications, so you don't miss critical information. If you'd prefer a clean slate, there's also an unsubscribe all option. This is a broad switch that stops all listed email notifications in one click. Use it if you're confident you don't want any of these messages. You can always come back later and re-enable specific categories if you change your mind. Finally, look for the section related to project settings. If you see a checkbox controlling notifications for a specific project or site, uncheck it to stop alerts tied to that project. This is helpful when you manage multiple sites and only want updates from a select few. Repeat the same action for any additional projects you want to quiet. That's it. By navigating to your profile, opening the account dashboard, moving into account settings, and adjusting email notifications, plus unchecking project-specific boxes, you've tailored Squarespace to send only what's useful to you. Revisit these settings anytime as your needs change, and enjoy a tidier, more focused inbox.